So welcome to Hive Evolution. As you see on the table here, I have my frames, my special frames, and I've done some wax sheets. I put them in, and at the end of this video I'll show you how I made all of these sheets, the process. So if you like, press like and subscribe. I will show you what I do for these sheets to stay on. I simply take this soldering little gadget here and I simply spot weld it along the sides. Okay, stay with me and follow me for the rest of the video. Thank you. Welcome. Today I'm making wax foundation for my special frames that I've done. You can see right there, these are the forms that I've done. One like this and one like that. Alright, these are going to fit in these two frames here. And now I got my wax heating up at 200 degrees in the stove, and when that's all melted I will proceed. Okay, I took my wax out of the oven. Put the tray on 2 elements with low heat. You can't have it too hot, otherwise when you dip it back it remelts the wax. So you take your form, you simply put it in the water, shake it good, and then you dip it into your wax, flip it upside down this way, and wait till it comes white a bit. And then you do that again. I do it 5 times. 5 times, and I come out with something fairly nice and thick enough. Alright. After 5 times, you dip it in warm water again. Then you trim up the sides like so. Like so. And then simply take it out and you got your sheet. Alright, after you've done that, once they cool off, they become very brittle. Then I'll show you what you have to do in order to keep them soft. Alright, once you're done with your form, you put them back in the warm water, and then you have to roll them with a rolling pin. If you don't do that, they will become brittle and they'll break just like a chip, a potato chip. It's funny, but it does that. So you just roll it. Few times. Few times both sides. Press fairly, not hard, but press firmly, and then it's going to stay like this, flexible. If not, it will not. It will be not flexible. So just a quick recap. So the oven. So 200 degrees till it came all melted. Then I put on 2 elements at minimum. Don't get it too hot because it doesn't work well if it's too hot. And then don't use your wife's best pans and stuff, otherwise you'll be divorced. And yeah, then you clean up and put back the pieces and melt it again and start over. I still have a lot to do. So thank you.